The pyramids of Egypt have captivated humanity for millennia. These colossal structures stand as testaments to the ingenuity and skill of their creators, yet the methods employed in their construction remain a subject of intense debate and speculation. How did a civilization thousands of years ago achieve such architectural marvels? New studies propose a radical departure from conventional theories. They suggest that ancient Egyptians possessed advanced technology, far beyond what we previously imagined. This technology, they argue, holds the key to unlocking the secrets of pyramid construction. Traditional explanations for pyramid construction often center around simple tools and brute force. Massive ramps, it is posited, were used to haul the heavy stone blocks into place. Thousands of laborers, toiling under the scorching sun, are believed to have achieved this monumental task. However, these theories fail to fully account for the precision, scale, and sheer logistical complexity of the pyramids. Could a civilization, limited to such rudimentary methods, have achieved such architectural perfection? The evidence suggests a more nuanced and intriguing possibility. One compelling theory that has gained traction is the hydraulic lift theory. This theory proposes that ancient Egyptians harnessed the power of water to move and lift the massive stone blocks. By channeling water from the nearby Nile River, they could have created hydraulic systems capable of generating immense force. These systems, it is suggested, could have been used to lift and maneuver the heavy stones with relative ease. The presence of water erosion marks on some of the pyramid stones lends credence to this theory. Section 4. The Herodotus Machine. Echoes of Ancient Ingenuity. The ancient world is filled with marvels that continue to baffle modern historians and engineers alike. Among these wonders, the construction techniques of ancient Egypt stand out as particularly enigmatic. How did they manage to build such colossal structures with the limited technology of their time? This question has intrigued scholars for centuries. Further support for the use of sophisticated machinery comes from the writings of Herodotus, an ancient Greek historian. Herodotus, often referred to as the father of history, traveled extensively and documented various cultures and their practices. His accounts provide invaluable insights into the technological prowess of ancient civilizations. Herodotus described a device used by Egyptians to lift stones, which he called a machine of short wooden planks. This intriguing description has led many to speculate about the exact nature of this device. Was it a simple lever or something more complex? The idea of using wooden planks to create a mechanical advantage is a testament to the ingenuity of ancient engineers. While his description is brief, it suggests the use of a lever-based system for lifting heavy objects. Levers are one of the simplest forms of machinery, yet they can be incredibly effective. By using a fulcrum and a long arm, even a small force can lift a heavy weight. This principle is still used in modern machinery, demonstrating the timelessness of this ancient technology. Centuries later, Leonardo da Vinci, inspired by Herodotus's account, created detailed sketches of a similar device. Da Vinci, a polymath of the Renaissance era, was fascinated by ancient technologies and often sought to improve upon them. His sketches reveal a deep understanding of mechanical principles and a keen interest in the engineering feats of the past. Da Vinci's drawings depict a wooden structure with ropes and pulleys, demonstrating the plausibility of such a machine. The use of ropes and pulleys to create mechanical advantage is another ancient technique that has stood the test of time. These sketches not only highlight Da Vinci's genius but also serve as a bridge connecting the engineering marvels of ancient Egypt with the innovations of the Renaissance. The echoes of ancient ingenuity continue to resonate through the ages, inspiring new generations of engineers and inventors. Section 5. Advanced Tools and Techniques, Evidence of Sophistication. Beyond the grand theories, evidence of advanced tools and techniques employed by the ancient Egyptians further challenges conventional narratives. Copper tools, for example, have been found at pyramid construction sites. Copper, while not as strong as iron, requires a sophisticated understanding of metallurgy to extract and shape. Additionally, the precision with which the pyramid blocks are cut and fitted together suggests the use of advanced cutting and measuring tools. These findings point to a civilization with a high level of technological capability. Section 6. The Great Debate: Skepticism and the Quest for Evidence. The construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza has long fascinated historians, archaeologists, and enthusiasts alike. The sheer scale and precision of this ancient wonder have led to numerous theories about the methods and technologies employed by the ancient Egyptians. Despite the compelling evidence, the theory of ancient high-tech machinery used in pyramid construction remains a subject of intense debate within the archaeological community. Some researchers propose that the ancient Egyptians possessed advanced knowledge and tools that have since been lost to history. They point to the precision of the stone blocks and the alignment of the pyramids with celestial bodies as indicators of sophisticated technology. Skeptics argue that there is insufficient physical evidence to support such claims. They maintain that the construction techniques used by the ancient Egyptians were well within the capabilities of the time, relying on simple tools, manpower, and ingenious engineering solutions. The lack of surviving examples of these supposed advanced machines or tools is a significant point of contention. They point to the lack of any surviving examples of these advanced machines or tools. The absence of physical artifacts that could definitively prove the existence of such technology is a major hurdle for proponents of the high-tech theory. Skeptics emphasize the importance of tangible evidence in substantiating historical claims. However, proponents of the theory argue that the absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. They suggest that the materials used for these advanced tools may have been perishable, or that the tools themselves were dismantled and repurposed over the millennia. The harsh desert environment and the passage of thousands of years could have contributed to the degradation and loss of these artifacts. The passage of time, they argue, coupled with the perishable nature of some materials, could explain the lack of physical artifacts. Additionally, proponents highlight the possibility that future discoveries could yet reveal new evidence. The debate continues as new technologies and methods of analysis are developed, offering fresh insights into the mysteries of the past. The quest for evidence is ongoing, and each new discovery has the potential to reshape our understanding of ancient civilizations and their capabilities. Section 7 Conclusion: A Legacy of Wonder, a Future of Exploration. The possibility that ancient Egyptians possessed advanced technology far beyond what we previously imagined opens up fascinating avenues for exploration. Imagine the tools and techniques they might have used, the secrets encoded in their hieroglyphs, and the advanced knowledge that could have been lost over millennia. This notion isn't just a flight of fancy, it's a call to delve deeper into the annals of history to uncover the truths that have been buried by the sands of time. It challenges us to reconsider our understanding of history and the capabilities of past civilizations. What if the ancient Egyptians had a grasp of astronomy that rivaled or even surpassed our own? What if their architectural prowess was not just a result of trial and error, but of sophisticated planning and execution? These questions compel us to look at history not as a linear progression, but as a complex tapestry woven with threads of forgotten wisdom and lost technologies. Were the pyramids of Egypt the product of brute force or ingenious engineering? This question has puzzled historians and engineers alike for centuries. The sheer scale and precision of these structures suggest a level of sophistication that seems almost otherworldly. Could it be that the ancient Egyptians had access to advanced engineering principles that we are only now beginning to understand? Or perhaps they employed methods and materials that have since been lost to history, leaving us to marvel at their achievements and wonder how they accomplished such feats. The answer may lie buried beneath the sands of time, waiting to be unearthed. Each new discovery, each artifact uncovered, brings us one step closer to understanding the true extent of their capabilities. The desert, with its shifting sands and hidden secrets, holds the key to unlocking the mysteries of the past. As archaeologists continue their painstaking work, we can only imagine what revelations await us, what new chapters of history will be written as we piece together the puzzle of ancient Egypt. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the past, we must remain open to the possibility that our ancestors possessed knowledge and skills that have been lost to history. This openness is crucial, for it allows us to approach our research with a sense of wonder and curiosity, rather than skepticism and doubt. By embracing the unknown, we pave the way for new discoveries and insights that can reshape our understanding of the world and our place in it. The pyramids stand as a testament to the enduring power of human ingenuity, reminding us that our capacity for innovation knows no bounds. They are not just monuments of stone and mortar, They are symbols of what humanity can achieve when we push the boundaries of what is possible. As we look to the future, let us draw inspiration from these ancient wonders and strive to unlock the full potential of our own creativity and ingenuity. The legacy of the pyramids is not just a relic of the past, it is a beacon guiding us towards a future of endless exploration and discovery.